ma'am, as usual, the earlier session also we enjoyed so much. So we enjoyed more today because it was, with art and music and all. I have also attended art-based therapy workshops in my previous experience. So I could relate to all of that. So it was really, really very interesting. And of course, every session, as I have already mentioned, we get to learn something new. So I will definitely use these techniques with my kids, in my future. My only hitch was, ma'am, I have not toned that last activity, the negative thing. Actually, no, I don't know. I just want to express it very quickly. The minute you played the music, I could only imagine a mother,
Yes.
handling a child in her hand. Okay, so the negative part I could express here is I was missing my mom, and literally I could visualize a mom pampering, cajoling, running after, typically. What do I say, like, running after, getting angry, punishing, all of those things. So when you said you tear it into pieces, though partly it is negative, but then
No, no,
I